anything related to brake, we can pitch in your purchase.
I actually had a doubt about segment. Actually, I don't know. Is this BMC air filter which we are going to upgrade after stock market?
I will answer off camera.
Yeah. So what do you like? Do you suggest taking it to the mall or
You can use the BMC, no problem.
Like what are the advantages?
It is a reusable vehicle. As good as lifetime. Maintained, watched properly, it can last as long as the motorcycle itself. It lets in a little more air than water paper element.
So is the airflow much easier to flow in that filter?
It filters better because of the material. Paper is used because of cost. The manufacturer, if you go for a service and they say your air filter, sir, first service you have to change air filter at 8,000 rupees. It's not going to work. So that is why they use it is just like using which is the best conductor of electricity? Gold. We can't put gold wires now because it is the best. We have to use copper. Now I think everywhere else we use aluminium. It is not even lower than copper, but the cost of copper is doesn't make it affordable to use on our KEB lines. The same way that material cotton, while it is the best, but it costs a lot. That is the reason why people use paper. However, manufacturers will say if you use anything outside of our OEM parts, warranty will be wide. That is a risk which whoever wants to use it can take.
But are there any few mods which you would recommend to put on our bikes?
No.
None. Maintain the stock itself.
Keep it stock. That is my recommendation. Use only things which you really think you need to mod. Otherwise, best is to leave it stock. Because it is being tested as stock, proven as stock. And if there is any problem, it is easy to identify the problem. When you modify it, becomes difficult to, especially in the electronics, difficult to break. And any mod should be a reversible mod. It should not be something permanent, plug and play. That's what I recommend. Any plug and play modification is okay. You can easily remove it.